What's up YouTube? Today we're going to talk about wireless charging for your cell phone. So I picked up this Yootech wireless charger. It was one of the cheaper ones on Amazon. I looked at some reviews to find out what the best one was. I don't know if it's the best one or not, but it is compatible with fast wireless charging. Normal charging blocks allow you to charge at 5 watts. Fast charging is anywhere from 7.5 and higher to 10. And I think that's about the highest right now at charging for cell phones is. Your iPhone 8, 8 Plus, 10, 10S, 10R, 10S Max all charge max at 7.5. Your Samsung Galaxies, I think S5 and newer, they can go up to 10, I believe. I know they can do fast wireless charging or fast charging too. This is capable of doing 5, 7.5, and 10 watts, depending on what kind of charging block you have. And of course, your phone will only take what it can handle. As you can see here, this is a plastic construction. It has kind of an LED ring light at the edge here that lights up when you plug it in, and it also lights up when it is charging your phone. It's a nice indicator, so when you put your phone on top of it, it lights up, lets you know that the phone is charging. You don't have to check your phone to make sure it's charging, it just lights up and illuminates. It also has this nice rubber, kind of a grippy circle around it. This allows your phone to just sit on there and not fall off or move or slide off. And it also has on the back side too as well, so that way it doesn't slide around on your nightstand or table or anything like that. Then it's got a micro USB plug, so that allows you to plug that into the wall. It comes with a regular micro USB to USB cable, and then they want you to use your own or aftermarket plug-in for your plug-in block. I use this Anchor fast charging block for this. This allows me to charge at 7.5 watts for my iPhone, and it should charge about 10 watts as well for Samsung. I'll link both of these in the description. I'll link the charger and this charging block in the description so you can check them out. But your regular iPhone charger block can work for this. Like I said, it'll only work for 5 watts. If you have an iPad charger, the little bigger block, it will charge it at 7.5. And I've been using that before. I got this block, but I went ahead and picked one of these up so I can use the other one for my iPad. So Yootech also has a kind of a stand for your phone, a wireless charging stand, as well as this little puck. I'll go ahead and link both of those in the description, like I said, below. This is only about 14 bucks, and then the stand itself is, I think, $19 or $20. Both should work with the same internals, so they'll work great for your iPhone 8 and newer phone. What's also nice is you get 10 millimeters of distance off of the puck itself. That's how far it can charge from. So when you have a case on your phone, you're able to use it without having to pull your case off. I have not tried it with any other cases other than this Spigen case that I have, but I can tell you right now, as long as it's not one of those big old thick cases, those should be fine too, as long as there's less than 10 millimeters space between the phone itself and the charger. Other than that, like I said, links in the description below, so you can go check those out. Go ahead and hit that like button if you liked the video and it helped you. Put a comment below if you have any comments or questions, and go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.